Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. I know it's been a while. I took some time off of the summer, and as a result of that, I ended up sort of going back to EEFX, my own solo team that I was a part of myself. And what I'm doing now, since the transition, is I'm sharing free setups. So the setups I usually would share on the VIP, I'm sharing that sort of stuff for free. So be sure to sort of subscribe if you haven't already. The link will be in the description. And also, if your friends and other families are trading, be sure to just send them the link. It's free, so what harm would it do? Hey, it's extra information. But anyway, at the start of the week, what was I expecting? I was looking for price to sort of give that retracement to push down. We almost got that retracement. Price, it's just that volatility, that extra volume is just not there for it to push as high. So it ended up going towards that 618 sort of retracement level, and then you can see that from that level where my mouse pointer is, price ended up pushing down at least 200 pips, and then I was expecting for price to continue pushing down during the midweek update. Any little retracements to continue selling on Wednesday, Thursday. This was a setup here with a sell zone up here. I knew that price may not continue to push down, we'd get a retracement. Overnight, we ended up getting that retracement for London session. Price then pushed down. It did push down 70 pips, and then if we go to the chart now, push down 70 pips here. So around about this level, price then pushed down around about 70 pips. So if you didn't take any profit, that's on you. I'm sure you'd end up taking profit anything more than 50 pips anyway. And then what we ended up getting some manipulated move to collect the liquidity from this candle here. This was the PMI candle. As you can see, there's no sort of wick above it. Price just ended up dropping. So if you just put a line there and you just zoom out and you see what price did, you can see that price ended up pushing back above this line, collected the liquidity, popped into the imbalance zone here, which was marked. This was another sell zone. Again, price missed the second sell zone and just dropped all the way back down. I did have a position which was sort of open with a bigger SL, so I'm still in that. And yeah, price is sort of back down to that 100 pip level, and what you can see is price heading down towards this area 1916. We've got loads of lows which haven't been taken out, so I'm expecting that to be taken out at the start of the week. We did have a full bearish sort of move last week, so I'm expecting for some sort of bullish move. If not, we could sort of continue pushing down. So the first position that I'll be looking for is if price sort of breaks all of these prior lows. You see we have a H1 liquidity candle here, we have some wicks down here as well, but then we've got some sort of rebound, that impulse move here. So I'm expecting some sort of bullish move from this area. We have some buyers at least waiting here, some orders that require to be filled. So if price can push down below these two lows around about 1910 area, we could see some sort of bullish reaction at least to fill up this manipulation that we had on Friday, so back up to 1920, if not back up to 1930. So something like this for next week will be great. The reason why I'm still sort of looking around that area is, we had such a strong push down after a bounce up. We want to see some sort of retracement first, whether it's back up to retest to that 1940s area, 1930s, and then it's time for it to make a decision. Is it going to continue pushing up, or is that the main retest done to go push back down towards 1890? And the reason why I'm looking at 1890 is the last time we tapped it, we didn't break. We just sort of bounced across it and then sort of pushed up for a retracement to retrace this move here. So we retrace this move, and will it sort of push down, or will this sort of retracement just come back and push back up as I've already marked? So pretty much we're just sort of taking it step by step, let the volatility come back in, and then we'll start sort of get some nice big moves as we usually would do. We're just taking it pretty much slow. All the other pairs are moving very slow. I wouldn't even look at them at the moment. Just let some volatility get back in. Some news events. What we got next week? We've got we got CPI, and that'll be great for some volatility to be brought back in. We've got PPI as well next week. So interesting week, midweek. Let's keep an eye on that. See where we are before Wednesday, and I should give you guys a a midweek update. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like these forecasts, don't forget to leave a like. It really gives me an idea of who actually watches them. So I'll keep doing them if you guys really find them interesting and informative. Other than that, it's I guess my name changed now. It's always from EEFX. Peace out.